everyone. Jim and Kate Lane from Lane Technology Solutions in Nala. This week's topic is a little more difficult, not really, but to explain. It's Internet of Things, and what does that all consist of? Jim?
Well, Internet of Things is anything connected to the internet, little devices that you might have around your house, air conditioning, monitoring equipment that you might have in your business, and so forth. It's a very handy sort of and very important sort of device because all the power in computing is in the cloud and the data collection is stored in the cloud, which is great for businesses, but it does provide security risks, lots of security risks. So you need to make sure that your business, should you have these devices within your network, are secure behind a firewall. And for people at home, just be very careful on how you use this equipment.
Some of the things at your home could be your Ring doorbell, your door locks, your refrigerator.
Blink cameras we have here in the house are all connected to the internet. And so you have to be careful with these things because they are a point of entry for hackers.
Be careful of your kids' toys that you buy this holiday season. Some of those as well. And they may come with the bug already installed on them to get access.
So the Internet of Things is very handy, very nice devices to have in your business and home networks, but just be careful, folks.
Now, one thing, the new president, when he was elected, he couldn't bring his Peloton bike into the White House. They thought it was too much of a security risk. So just be careful, have a joyous holiday season, and take care.